Now do a sound test with the Holyland Lark A1 outdoors so you can actually hear what it sounds like. So at the moment I am about 25 feet away from the camera. I don't really talk too far away from the camera, so for me this is an optimal kind of like distance I will be away from my camera most of the time. So this is with the microphone set to level 4. No noise reduction, is just straight from the microphone straight to the camera. No processing. You can probably hear the birds chirping a little bit in the background. So this is what the Godox Cube S sounds like in normal mode with the microphone level set to level 4. Take a walk, you can still hear our friend out there. Again, similar distance away from the camera as before. Our friend is still losing his mind. What do you guys think? Is it a lot different from the Holyland Lark A1 in that kind of like scenario, in a similar kind of distance range, or is it better?